So your presence is a source of great encouragement for all of us, and I would like to encourage you to enter into B2B agreement with Pakistani counterparts, and the next phase of CPEC, phase 2, will be basically B2B arrangements in the field of industry. We have joint ventures in textile industry, in agricultural production, and then export these items to those countries where tariffs have become exorbitant, and those tariffs have made Chinese exports very difficult to those countries. Pakistan and China can really devise this mechanism whereby together we produce those items and export to those countries easily. That will be a win-win situation. Before I conclude, I would just like to mention that China and Pakistan are great friends. Our friendship is not only higher than Himalayas, now it's touching the skies. Ever since we launched satellite in the orbit, our friendship is now touching skies, and it is most definitely deeper than the deepest ocean and sweeter than honey and sugar. But now it's all about having joint ventures and convert this friendship into actual business relations as part of CPEC 2. Our Minister for Commerce, Jam Kamal, and Chairman TDAP, Motiwala, our Minister for Agriculture, Rana Tanveer, and their respective secretaries and Board of Investment, they will all join hands together along with Mr. Aleem Khan. And of course, our Ambassador Khalil Hashmi is here, who's doing a wonderful job to stitch this relationship between Chinese and Pakistani business partners so that we can really achieve desired results in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to meet you. Pakistan Chini Dosti Zindabad.